Hey guys, it's Lee. How are you? Sunday afternoon, almost evening, and I just took a picture of this. Sent it to my sister and told her this is all her fault. Since she decided she wanted to send me or call me, letting me know that she went to Subway and got tuna fish. I love tuna fish. So I opened it, took a picture, was getting ready to start chomping, took a bite, and I was like, hey, wait a minute, I could share this. Let y'all know I'm having some tuna fish today. This sandwich looks so dang good. It's got spinach and lettuce, tomatoes, red peppers, red onions and green peppers in it with some extra mayo, because you gotta have that mayo. And I wish I had put a little sweetener on it. I'm sorry. I had already blessed the food, so. How's the weekend going? How are things? I'm gonna be generous. Give you guys a bite from this end. Is that focusing? Be considerate and generous. How about that? What's going on with you guys? Me? I've just been in a pattern of healing and actually started a class today. Started an online course. It's called Soul Care. I'm really excited, and I started reading, and it just touched me all in my soul. So I'm trying to do not only healing for my soul, but be able to assist others with healing for their soul. God is good, so we'll just see how all that goes. But I know that it's been calling me for a while, and I've been running, been fighting it. But here I go, getting into it. And the best part is the courses are free and they're online. Certificates at the end. So we'll see what he does with all that. As my mom would say, it do be good. It do be good. Plus, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten for hours. Ugh. I knew I was going to have some fish today. My daughter sent me pictures of her dinner yesterday, where they had haddock, and she grilled it, roasted it, oven baked it. I don't know, baked it, I guess. And it looked really good. As soon as I woke up this morning, video on some whiting. And then I was trying to send somebody to get some whiting. I have pollock, but whiting. Then I watched the hashtag the cannons, and they had stuffed catfish. I don't do catfish, but I was willing to try it with some whiting. And then when it boiled down to it, my sister told me about tuna, a tuna sandwich that she had. And I was like, yep, that's probably going to be dinner. Yes, I'm picking it. Still doing my Weight Watchers. My Weight Watchers bottle. Get clothes off my food off my clothes. Not drinking water though. I have Sprite this time. Diet Sprite. What'd you guys have for dinner today? I haven't done a lot. I did get my growth oil, hair growth oil, that I told you guys about in my last video. I did a video for it, but I haven't loaded it yet. Uploaded it yet. Haven't done a lot. Been dealing with my HS flares, and so I've been resting a lot, on the heating pad a lot. Just, yeah. And so then, I don't know, I got up and got more done today. Felt better, a little better. So, although I'm still fighting a flare. Really don't know what else to say. I watched, did watch, the jalapeno popper challenge. Xtina Grubbs did it, and Big Guy Appetite and his mom makes the poppers. Watch a couple other people. That's a hard one. Not only are the jalapenos hot, but usually they're taking it fresh out the grease from cooking it, and it makes it even hotter. So it was fun kind of watching them almost jump out their seats because it's so hot or whatever. So far, no one that I've watched has completed the challenge. It's 10 of those egg rolls, jalapeno popper egg rolls, in 10 minutes. They're pretty big. They're a big, normal size egg roll. And so you gotta imagine that got the jalapeno, the whole jalapeno in it. Usually, I guess, cut in half, but stuffed with cream cheese and sour cream and bacon and green onions. I'm not sure what else, but anyway, and then put back together, rolled up into some extra cheese, I think it is, and then rolled up, fried, deep fried, and then you have to eat 10 of them. Yeah, so I'm still gonna watch and see if I can find somebody that actually completed it. That was interesting though. I think somebody called out Ray Sean for the PR thing and challenged him to do it. I haven't been back on to see if he saw the challenge, accepted it, or what. I think somebody challenged hashtag the cannons to do it. That'll be interesting, especially if AJ and Danny does it together. 10 apiece. Woo. But I know they'll be good because AJ can cook his butt off, so. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Sorry about that. It's getting messy, and I'm so hungry. Mm. You guys want to watch me eat this whole thing, huh? Mm. Mm-hmm. Let myself get too hungry. Mm. One thing that I didn't mention over the last couple of weeks, and I should have, was about Chadwick Boseman. I was actually in shock when I first saw an article. I'm laying down, I'm looking, I'm like, wait a minute, I know the face. I know who that is. No, unfortunately, I've never seen anything that he's in. But after Black Panther, he was on TV so much, I knew his face. And I've never seen Black Panther, so no, sorry. I plan to see all of them. But anyway, it hurt my heart, regardless. When I heard the news and everything, and then when I found out everything that was going on, and even to the point of him looking so small and everything, and people talking about him and, doing their typical hater stuff. It was awful. So I hated that. I hated he had to go through that. But he was definitely a strong guy, and I believe definitely he was God sent. And God had a purpose for his life. He fulfilled it. And going from there. So rest in peace, my brother. Rest in peace, and blessings to his wife. There was no children, so that's a blessing too. Next topic is, I want to continue to encourage you guys to vote. I don't care if you vote by mail, vote at the polls, do an early voter thing, whatever it is. Just make sure that we vote. I know there's people that believe that our votes don't count, or anybody's votes don't count, or our votes don't count, or whatever, but I believe everybody's votes count. And I believe that things have been set up to allow everyone to vote and to have a right to vote and everything. And it's just, we have to do our part and go vote. And especially if we want to see change or growth or whatever it is, we need to go vote. So I'm just asking you guys, please go vote. Okay, well, that's all I have time for today. This is all I have left of what I plan on eating, so I'm going to finish that off camera, and I wish you guys a wonderful weekend, work week, and just many blessings. Okay, take care.